Hello everyone, good evening. I hope all of you are good and I am also fine. So today I will take another class from chemistry. There is the chapter is topics is solid state and we will do numericals for JEE, NEET, etc. Okay. So our first question is this is the lecture number 2. Our first question is a mixture of ethyl alcohol and propyl alcohol has a vapor pressure of 290 mm at 300 K. Okay, at the temperature of 300 K, the vapor pressure of a mixture is 290 mm. Okay, suppose this one is one mixture. Which one? Propyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol and propyl alcohol mixture, this one. So the vapor pressure of the mixture is, what is given here, sir? Total pressure, vapor pressure of the mixture is 290 mm. This one is given. Okay, this one is given. And vapor pressure of propyl alcohol, vapor pressure of P0B, propyl alcohol is 200 mm, right? Vapor pressure of propyl alcohol is 200 mm. Then the vapor pressure of propyl alcohol is, if the mole fraction of ethyl alcohol means XA is 0.6, its vapor pressure in mm at the same temperature, we have to find out the vapor pressure of ethyl alcohol is what, that is P0A is what we have to find out. Here XB will be 1 minus XA, that is 1 minus 0.6 equal to 0.4. okay, so P is what, 290 mm total pressure of the mixture. Then P0B is 200 mm, XA is 0.6 and XB will be 1 minus XA. There is XA and XB always be 100%, that is 1. So XB equal to 0.4. So we have to find out this one. So now, according to Raoult's law, we know that according to Raoult's law, what we have, according to Raoult's law, what we have, P equal to PA plus PB, right? Now come here, PA equal to P0 AXA, this one will be P0 B XB, right? Okay, fine. Now P will be P0, the value of P is what? The value of, this one is the formula, the value of P is what? The value of P is 290. So 290 is equal to P0A, we have to find out, X0 is 0.6 plus 200 P0B into 0.4. So it will be 290 0.6 P0A equal to 0 point. Okay, it will be 80. So 290 minus 80 equal to 0.6 into P0A. So P0A will be 210 by 0.6. It will be 210 into 10 by 6. If we cut this one, it will be 5 and it will be 3. It will be 70. That is 350 mm. Okay, so P0A will be 350 mm. So option B is correct. So let me explain again. What is question is given? A mixture of ethyl alcohol and propyl alcohol has a vapor pressure of 290 mm at 300 degree temperature. At a temperature of 300 degree K, the vapor pressure of the mixture is 290 mm. If the vapor pressure of the propyl alcohol, that is the vapor pressure of the propyl alcohol individually is 200 mm. Okay, fine. Now stop. If the mole fraction of the alcohol, what is given here? Mole fraction of ethyl alcohol given 0.6. Then vapor pressure of the ethyl alcohol will be what? We have to find out in mm. So now I take this total pressure is this one, P0B is this one, propyl vapor pressure of propyl alcohol, then XA, mole fraction of ethyl alcohol, this 0.6, XA will be 1 minus XA. After that, P0A will be find out. According to Raoult's law, we know that total pressure equal to PA plus PB. Okay, and after that, from Henry's law, we know that P0A, we can write P0A XA plus P0B XB. After that, I put all the values, and after simply what becomes P0A is 350 millimeter. Okay, so this is. So our next question, that is question number 2 is, a solution of sucrose, that is molar mass of the sucrose is 342 gram per mole, has been prepared by dissolving 68.5 gram of sucrose in 1000 gram of water. Okay, so that is one mixture will be made of what? Sucrose and water. The freezing point of the solution obtained will be what? We have to find out freezing point will be what? K for the water is this one. Now look at here, suppose this one is one container and we have to make a mixture of 1000 gram, that is 1 kg water. Okay, here you put sucrose. What's molar mass? How much sucrose? W is sucrose of 68.5 and molar mass of sucrose is 342. Okay, so therefore moles of sucrose is M equal to W by capital M. W 68.5 divided by M, that is M is what? 342. If you divide this one, it will be 2.0 approximately. Okay, and what is KF? KF is here 1.86 kilo kg per mole. Now the formula of freezing point del TF equal to M into KF. Okay, so here M is what? 0.2, it is 1.86. If you multiply this, it will be 2 and 8, 16, 17 and it will be 3, the 0.3. Okay, so now the freezing point will be del TF equal to 0 minus TF equal to 0 minus del TF. Okay, 0 minus del of TF, that is freezing point, that is it will be 0 minus 0.372 degrees C. So it will be minus 0.372 degrees C. So TF will be minus 0.372. So let me explain again what is this. Okay, so here is given one in the question is given a solution should be made by using 68.5 gram of sucrose, whose molar mass is 342, and 1000 gram of water, that is 1 kg of water. Okay, now the freezing point of the solution automatically decrease. We know that freezing point of water is, that is 0 degrees C. If you mix something another impurities in the in water, then the freezing point will be automatically decreased to negative. Okay, so what percentages, what values of freezing point decrease, we have to find out this one. So the freezing point of the solution obtained will be what we have to find out. So I write the what is given here, mass of sucrose given, molecular mass of given, mass of water is given. Now mole of sucrose I find out W by M using the formula, that is it is 0.2. Kf is given, this one 1.86. Now we use the formula, this formula del TF equal to change in freezing point. This one is change in freezing point. Okay, change in freezing point equal to M into freezing constant. So I put this value and this one is came. That is therefore TF, that is TF will be this freezing point will be 0 minus 0 degree C. This is the actual minus change. Okay, actual minus change, it will be minus 0.72 degrees C. So this is the answer. Hello student, So our next question, that is question number 3, is the freezing point constant for water is 1.86 degree per mole if 5.00 gram sodium sulfate, that is Na2SO4, is dissolved in 45 gram of water. The freezing point is changed by minus 3.82 degrees C. Calculate the Bandt factor of N2SO4. So Bandt factor of N2SO4 will be what? We have to find out. Suppose this here, what is the mixture is here? What this water is there? How much water is there, sir? WA, how much water is there? 45 gram water. Okay, what will we put here? Na2SO4 will be put. The amount of SO4 is will be WA is what, sir? 5.00 gram. Fine. And molecular mass of water is what? Molecular mass of Na2SO4 is what? Molecular mass of Na2SO4 is equal to 142. Okay, fine. So what is given? I am writing here. That is WA is equal to 5.00 gram. That is 5 gram. And WB. This one will be WB. And WA is 45 gram of water. Molecular mass of sodium sulfate is Na2SO4 is 142. Okay, and what is given? Kf is given 1.86 and del Tf is given. Del Tf is minus 3.82 degrees C. Okay, so we have to find out the Bandt factor. I is what? We have to find out. So there is a formula. There is one formula which is del Tf. We know the del Tf equal to Kf into M. So del Tf I into Kf. Okay, del Tf equal to I into Kf into M. Small m. Small m is molality. Moles equal to I into M. M is what? WB by MA MB into WA into 1000. This is the formula of what? Okay, fine. So from that we have to find out this one is the formula of molality. This is the formula of M. So this one is formula. Okay, from that we have to find out I is what? So from that we have to find out I equal to what? Del Tf into MB into WA divided by Kf into WB into 1000. Now put the below putting all the values. Del Tf is what? 0.382, MB is 142, WA is what? W is 45, and Kf is what? 1.86 into WB is 5, and this one is 1000. Okay. Now if I simplify this one, it will become almost 2.6 something. Okay, so I will be 2.6. I will be 2.6. So what I am doing here, I just write down the given values here: WB, WA, MA, KF, del TF, and we have to find out I is what? I is Bandt factor. Okay, I is Bandt factor here. So del Tf equal to Kf into M into I. Okay, I just try to put the value of M is here. M is what? Molality is WB by MB into WA into 1000. Okay, now I try to find out the I is what? I is this one, and after putting the values of this will be like something like that, and after simplification what is become? This will become 2.6 something. So which option is correct? Option B is correct. Option B is correct. I hope this one is helpful for you. So hello students, so our next question is theoretical based questions, okay, logical based questions. One question is this is the last question of the topic, and another video will came or another lecture will came from the solution topics, okay. I try to cover or complete every topics or numerical form every topics, okay, especially. So there is one questions, which of them is not equal to 0 for an ideal solution? So ideal and non-ideal solution. So there is some condition for ideal solution like entropy, Bmax, and enthalpy and pressure is what, okay, and non-ideal solutions. So you have to know this one theoretical based question. You have to remember sometimes theoretical questions is came, okay. This question is came in this question is came in 2015, NEET 2015. Okay, every questions what I am doing here, every question is previous year questions, okay, from NEET or JEE. So for ideal solution, so solution for ideal solution, for ideal solution, delta S mix is greater than 0 and del P del H B mix is H mix is or always 0, okay. So what is the condition? Del mix is equal to greater than 0 and others part, that is change in pressure, change in enthalpy, change in volume will be 0 for in case of ideal solution, okay. Which of the following is not equal to 0 for an ideal solution? But in case of ideal solution, pressure del change in pressure will be 0, change in enthalpy will be 0, change in volume will be 0. There is mixture, the volume of the mixture, change in volume of the mixture, okay. Now Bmax will be 0. Now so which option will be correct here? Option D will be correct, okay. Option D will be correct. Option D will be correct. Del of entropy mix will be not equal to 0, not equal to 0, because since it is what, delta of S mix is greater than 0, okay. Delta max is greater than 0. So this is the last class. I hope these 4 questions will help you for all of you, and thank you for watching, okay. And try to at home all of you try to do some more questions from related to from these topics, okay. So thank you for watching.